So it was unfortunate. There was a really bad snowstorm. If you watched the Browns Steelers game, power was out where I live in the 440. So I had to go to the bar to watch a game, had the video ready. But here is video one of two. You're going to get two videos today because I'm making up for yesterday's video. What's going on, ET Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so don't miss future videos. So Sunday I couldn't do a video. We got back late from Cincinnati. And I worked 3 in a row, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm off Thursday and Friday. So you're going to get a video Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, I got to get some ground to make up. But I did tell you, if you watch my shorts video, that I'm going to reveal to you a new high yield dividend ETF. Well, I've actually owned it before and sold it, but now's the time to get back into it. Have a lot of confidence with them. And if you look at, if you invested $10,000 from the inception, it's actually in the positive right now with dividends reinvested. So very promising. And the company is doing very well. There's a lot of hype with the company. It had a bubble, but I'm going to show you all my high dividend ETF holdings, and I'm going to discuss my strategies. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my dividend investing strategy right now. Yes, I did go back in TSLY. I sold it, made a profit. Hopefully, I'm not too bad on taxes at the start of next year, but I'm back with TSLY, sitting at 1528. Tesla is looking pretty good. There was a huge bubble with Tesla. And honestly, with Elon Musk and Donald Trump in league, it's probably going to help Tesla stock a lot, which is going to help TSLY. So I'm going to jump to a quick stock analysis with with Tesla. So yes, I am back with TSLY. This is the Yieldmax TSLA Option Income Strategy ETF. It is not shares of Tesla. I've said that numerous times. But with Tesla, it appears to be getting out of that bubble, and the potential with Tesla and Elon Musk being in league with Donald Trump, I really can see Tesla doing really well and TSLY doing very well. Now, TSLY is very volatile. The net asset value can go down because of the high volatility and the passive income. Remember, this is synthetic calls. This is not actual shares of Yieldmax. Okay, I'm sorry, actual shares of Yieldmax using Tesla. All right, this is synthetic calls. And I'll repeat this one more time. This is not shares of Tesla with calls. Okay, so you get some nice passive income. Now, I'm going to jump to Tesla real quick. And Tesla has been up 82.02%, sitting at $339.64. A lot of potential. There was a huge bubble that happened, and that hurt Tesla for a little bit, but they appear to be back. This is a very volatile stock, so you have to know your risks with TSLY. I myself, I'm willing to take the risk. I'm single, no kids, travel nurse. Yes, I have interviews for nurse practitioner, but I actually turn down jobs because it's a little bit more beneficial to be a travel nurse and not do every other weekend in the hospital. Rather do 5 days a week. So the balls are in my court compared to 10 years ago being a new graduate nurse where it was extremely hard to get a job. I was lucky to get a hospital in the job. And if somebody pisses me off, I can just go back to travel nursing. It's very simple. Okay. That's the nice thing about my opportunities. I can move somewhere. I can move in a new area, new county, Columbus, Northeast Ohio. Northwest Ohio, it doesn't matter. Out of state. Okay, so I can do that. I can take a hit if TSLY does a reverse stock split again. I doubt it, but can that happen? Yes. So we need to look at some of the trends of TSLY with a passive income that has me attracted to the potential of Tesla jumping up TSLY. Now, again, you're not going to see TSLY beat Tesla in share price. It's not going to happen. Okay. This is for income. Now, people don't understand that this is not following Tesla. This is an income of synthetic calls. Okay. This is not actual shares. Now, if you did actual shares, you actually would probably do really well. If you have enough to get 100 shares of $339.64, maybe. But I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, doing covered calls, you'll probably make a lot more money versus these synthetic calls. I'm just being straightforward with you. I see a lot of people on X doing extremely well. But I want to go over the trends of TSLY, and I'm probably going to throw in 400 tomorrow just to make sure it's loaded up a little bit. And I'm going to go over just a little bit with my portfolio and the announcement of the income of some of these ETFs, which is quite exciting. This is why I have them starting to load up, because I need to really kick it up a notch with my high yield. I got some dividend growth. I got some really nice dividend growth stocks, but I need a little bit more juice in my monthly passive income. So let me jump to the dividend history of TSLY. So I want to be clear with you guys. This is why I am diversified with the ETFs, because the distribution is high. Sometimes you go do well, sometimes you don't. So, this can be a big issue. So you see a reverse stock split, and this is kind of integrated with the reverse stock split. Look, I got 59 cents at one time. You get 109 with Tesla going up, and 81 cents and 96 cents and $1, and then 64 cents, 69 cents. So again, it could be good, could be bad. So this is why it's good to be diversified. I want that monthly passive income to turbocharge my portfolio. If you saw my previous videos with E-Trade, I have NVDY in there, and I'm using that passive income for NVDY to jump over to M1 Finance and use that income to build up my shares of NVDY. So right here, if I get to 100 shares, that's fantastic. Maybe 109, maybe 81. So you're seeing the potential with that. I don't know if TSLY is going to stay at $15. It may be a little bit less, but still, the option income ETF is pretty nice. Now I'm going to jump to my dividend portfolio right now with my holdings. So I'm going to show you right now what I'm doing right now. So I have Essential Properties Realty Trust right up here. I'm up 35.04%. Starbucks, I have this in the front. Morgan Stanley, Getty Realty Corporation, Invitation Homes, Broadstone Net Lease, Blackstone Secured Lending Fund. This is in my front. That's a business development company. I have BITO. I get the nice passive income from Bitcoin, which is blowing up. I'm assuming that people are probably going to dump Bitcoin, make a big profit, and the share price will go down with net asset value with BITO. But hey, I'm going to enjoy the ride in passive income. Digital Realty Trust, I'm up 49.54% since I got it. YBTC, the round held Bitcoin covered call ETF. Net Street Rate, it is down, so that's great. I'm going to buy some more shares. American Financial Group, I'm up 22.94%. AbbVie, I'm down 1.05%. Now is the time to get it. They had some negative news about a schizophrenia medication, so they're down. Bank of Nova Scotia, I'm up 25.28%. The banks, Canadian banks actually have really good dividend growth and high yield dividends. Remember, you get the Canadian dividend tax on that, but it's pretty nice. Four Corners Property Trust, 2.95%. Coca-Cola, I'm up 10.5%. Darden Restaurants, WP Carey, I went back in them. ADP, I'm up 25.31%. Now we got SQY, FBY, Alpine Income Property Trust, Alexandra Real Estate Equities, down 12.30%. So that's great. It's time to capitalize on that. Toronto Dominion Bank is down 1.67%. AFLAC is 23.43% in the positive. Yum Brands is down. I'm hoping my passive income goes after it. Care Trust REIT is at 110. Prologis, I'm down 31.31. That's beautiful to buy right now. I'm hoping my passive income buys that. Especially, that's one of my favorite REITs of all time. AMDY is down 7.83%. CONY is up. This is beautiful because the passive income from CONY will hopefully reinvest into these Yieldmax ETFs or dividend growth stocks. MSTY, I'm up 46.98%. Now, I added Target here. Target went down big time. The earnings report freaked people out. And you know what? This is a buying opportunity for me. Target's a big company. I see them busy all the time. Doesn't matter if I get off the highway and go to Chipotle, or there's one like with my travel nursing gig. I see that place busy. I see the Target busy over here. I see Target busy everywhere I go. And you have TSLY at the bottom, which I'm going to be loading up. And I'm hoping to get to 100 shares with a lot of these in this passive income. Again, I'm generating right here my total amount. So I've been paid $15,695.23. Still coming. Passive income is still coming. I get the weekly passive income. I get the monthly passive income. I'm going to show you my holdings. And we're going to go by shares. I have 118 positions, and hopefully I can get a little bit higher. I need to see what my limit is with M1 Finance, but I've been doing pretty well. So I have 385 shares at NVDY, 103 of YMAX. Then I have 69 of YMAG, 66 at QDTE. I have 56 of AIPI, 54 of XDTE, 54 of AMDY. And then we're going to keep on going. 38.99 of CONY. Remember, I sold them for a profit and I'm rebuying them. Then we got RDTE 35.31, FBY 34 shares. Then we got SQY 31 shares, PFE 27 shares, bito 27 shares, MSTY 18 shares. That's way up. So hopefully it goes down a little bit and I can maybe capitalize on it. ybtc 1234, 12.34. And again, I'm anticipating people are going to dump a lot of Bitcoin, and then MSTR will probably go down. I'm just assuming that that's going to happen. So you have to be aware and be well diversified. So those are my holdings. So adding TSLY. And again, I'm reinvesting shares of NVDY, and I got YMAX here. I got this weekly income that is doing pretty well, which needs to get a little bit stronger. And I'm hoping a lot of these weekly income ETFs are going to be integrated into M1 Finance eventually. I can get more shares with weekly income. Decide what I want to do with some stocks. I think I'm limited to 125. I have to double check with M1 Finance on that. But again, using this method to kind of be like a hamster on a hamster wheel. And as I said to him with Oracle Investments, he asked me a question, why do I have, kind of like, why do I have so many holdings? So I kind of explained, my dividend portfolio is like landing on a Monopoly board. Okay, you're playing Monopoly, you land on something, you get money, land on something, you get money, land on something, you get money, you land on something, you get money. So that's the nice thing about this is there's a lot of income. So this is my own ETF. Everybody's investing strategy is different, but this is my strategy. I'm a, how would I want to say this? Income investor, dividend growth investor, and value investor. And I love earning the passive income. I do believe, that passive income is key to helping you with your retirement. I mean, this is why I'm doing this and showing you my videos and my strategies that I have. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go see a financial advisor. Go see a tax advisor. If you want financial advice, go to a financial advisor. You want tax advice, go to a tax advisor. You should not use my YouTube channel or any post I make on social media as a form of financial advice or tax advice. You have to be aware of your risk. You have to do your due diligence. You can lose money when it comes to investing. So be aware that if things go bad, you got to be careful. So, that's why I say go have a financial advisor and go from there. So you guys take care and have a great Thursday, and go Browns. I highly doubt they're going to win.